This is the rain. I love rain. And put in the comments if you like rain. Thumbs up if you like rain.
Yay!
Thumbs down if you don't like rain. Because I like rain. This is Jeffrey Soho saying,
Mother Cole like rain as well.
saying this is not very bad. This is really good. Actually, this is fabulous. Praise the Lord for rain. This is what rain's all about. And I hope I don't get copyrighted, but I don't think I will. So, forget about that bit. Okay, this is rain. And to show you the, oh yes, looks like it's still in there and it's getting wet. My picture.
Let's watch it together this weekend. That'd be nice.
Oh, the rain. The rain is wet. The rain is wet. The rain comes down and it goes pitter patter, rain falls down. Rain falls down. Pitter patter, the rain falls down. Like, comment and subscribe and share with your friends. They'll enjoy it if they like rain.